Hey there! If you're feeling overwhelmed by anxiety, you're not alone. Today, I want to guide you through a simple meditation to help ease those anxious thoughts and bring some calm back into your life. First, find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs and then slowly exhale. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing yourself to sink deeper into relaxation with each breath. Now, imagine a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or even a cozy room. Picture yourself there, feeling safe and at ease. Notice the details, the colors, the sounds, the textures. Let this place become your sanctuary, a place where anxiety doesn't exist. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to your body. Start at your feet and slowly move up, noticing any areas of tension. With each exhale, imagine releasing that tension, letting it melt away. Next, let's focus on a positive affirmation. Repeat silently to yourself. I am calm. I am safe. I am in control. Feel the power of these words resonating within you, grounding you in the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath and your peaceful place. Remember, it's okay if your mind drifts. Just guide it back without judgment. Now, take one final deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension or worry. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you need to find calm amidst the storm. Thank you for joining me today. Take care. Being healthy and happy. Watermark text appears. Music fades out.